sis. Get into it. Hey guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber, hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my go-to everyday summer makeup look, and I'll also be giving you the details on this hair. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching. All right, so the first step that I do is moisturize, and I've already done that off camera. For my moisturizer, I just use aloe vera gel. I use this one today because I'm out of the one I use normally, and it's clear, not green like this. But this is what I had left, so I went ahead and used this today. I prefer the other one over this one, but hey. Next, I'm going to prime, and because I am oily, I am going to take a matte primer. And I'm gonna take the Can't Stop Won't Stop primer by NYX. And actually I'm combination oily skin. Like my outer areas of my face are dry, but my T-zone is oily. I like the Can't Stop Won't Stop. It's like the best matte primer that I've ever used. And I just tap it into the skin. It kind of reminds me of the Becca Ever Matte and Poreless primer. Next, I'm going to take my Black Opal finishing powder. This is the oil control one. And I'm going to actually set this or place this all over my oily areas. I know that I've already primed, but this helps with oil control as well. So I only put this in my T-zone, of course. Just forehead, up in this area, nose, chin. Cause child, when I say I get oily, I mean it. I get oily. All right, so for foundation, it's gonna be the same foundation that I've been using, which is my Maybelline Superstay Foundation in 360 Mocha. And I'm just gonna buff that out with my Real Techniques Instapop face brush. As you guys know, I do like to go over my foundation with my beauty blender. Alright, so for concealer today, for my highlighting, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Y'all, this is the OG right here. And I definitely prefer to use this during the summertime because I feel like it lasts longer. Alright, and to blend that concealer out, I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques setting brush. Then I go in with my brush that I apply my foundation with and tap out the edges of that concealer. And to set that concealer, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. to contour using my Black Radiance concealer stick in A003. Just gonna blend that out with this Real Technique stippling brush. To blend out my nose contour, I'm going to take this Flawless Concealer brush from e.l.f. Alright, so now I'm going to go over all of that with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Deep. I'm going to go into this e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm going to take this shade here. Alright, so to set my face, I would normally take my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, but apparently I don't have any more. So I'm gonna take my regular schmegular old Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. For highlighter, I'm gonna take this one out of the Black Radiance contour palette. I'm just gonna apply some mascara before I apply my falsies. For lashes today, I'm gonna be taking my Country Girl Wink lashes in Tumbleweed. Y'all, these are my favorite right now. So I'm just gonna apply a thin liner on top of that. I'm gonna put some black liner in my waterline. So of course, I'm just going to line my lips with MAC's Chestnut. And for my lip color, I'm going to take Taupe by MAC. I'm going to put a little bit of Corset in the middle. Of course, y'all know I've been wearing nothing but glossy lips, so I'm gonna go over top of that with Ruby Kisses Crystal Gloss. All right, let me get myself together. I'll be back in just a second. All right, so this is the finished look. This is my go-to everyday makeup look for the summertime. It's pretty much my go-to makeup look for any season. Just during the summertime, I take a few extra steps to control the oiliness of my skin. Yeah, so let's get into this hair. This hair, sis. Let's get into, y'all. I love it. This is the Freetress Equal 5-inch lace part wig in the style Valentino in the color FF Hot Choco. I believe that's how you say it. Yeah, this is the stock card. This is the stock card. It does come in several other colors, as you can see down there. The model has it in FF Cream. On the back, she has it in FF Golden Brown, and then also the FF Hot Choco. It has the 5-inch lace parting, as you can tell, and it's perfect. Says most ideal and flattering look, which I agree with. It is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. It is synthetic, and it was only $20. Okay, sis, $20 plus tax, of course, but $20. Okay, so out the pack, the wig was great. All I had to do was flatten it just a bit because it was, you know, a little lumpy. And then I took a wide tooth comb and just combed out the curls. That's all I did. And I really didn't even have to comb out the curls, really. This color is beautiful. Like, I love this color on me. I was so scared at first, but love it. I watched several videos on this wig, and I watched a bunch of videos on this wig where there were ladies of a darker complexion wearing it and it was beautiful on them, so I was like, hey, why not give it a try? And I've got to say, I'm glad I did. I love this wig. I don't have any complaints yet. Listen, this wig is amazing and it was only $20 and it's synthetic, and I've got to say it looks amazing. I don't know what they're doing in these companies who create these wigs, but you're doing amazing, sweetie. Keep it up. That's all I got to say. So yeah, that's it. And I will link the wig down below on the website that I purchased it from, and then I also link a few others that have this wig too, just in case it's not available on the one that I got it from. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, if you made it this far, then you already know that we are family.
Hey, auntie.
So, cousin, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.